Hi guys, come with me as I show you my fancy Airbnb apartment store in Albania. I want to hear your opinion. I want to hear your comment. What do you think about it? Do you think it's something you can consider when you visit Albania or not? And do you think it really worth the price? And can you stay there when you visit? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
So this apartment is a one-bedroom flat in Tirana, the capital city of Albania. We got there at night, and to the entrance is the bathroom, which has got a three-piece set, and we've got a washing machine that has got dryer also. And moving out is the open plan living area, which has got the kitchen with the cooker. We've got loads of storage with plates and pots, and we're able to cook. And there's a fridge freezer that we could store our food. I love the fact that the setting was made with raffian, black, white, and brown, and it's so beautiful and cozy. I didn't want to live there at all. And here is the bedroom that has got the wardrobe. It's a big size wardrobe that our load was looking so small in it, and the mirror, that's me checking myself out. And yeah, the bedroom has also got a mirror and a dresser, and it opens up to the balcony. You can either go from the living room or from the bedroom, and that's my friend also taking an area view. It was really lovely. Now let me show you how to search for apartment on Airbnb and how to book it successfully. The first thing that you want to do is to get onto your browser, either on your phone or on your laptop, and type in Airbnb. So it's going to pop up search buttons for you, and you can click on this very one, or you can also decide to download it on your mobile phone or on your computer and just explore right into the app. So when you get there, it's going to ask for the location, check-in date and time. You just need to input it, and it will give you loads of options. So for me, I changed from London to Tirana, Albania, and I put my check-in date and check-out date also in it. And then it brought these options for me. Imagine, look at the prices of the options that it brought. £30 per night for a one bedroom apartment for two people. Oh my god, that's a steal. And that's one thing I like about Albania. If you're looking forward to a budget holiday this summer, Albania or Montenegro is a place for you. Like, you won't spend so much on accommodation, on food, even on flight too. It's really a budget holiday to consider. You can see the prices and the location. Although this location is not too big, but they have other areas that are sunny and they are beachy. Like, it's got loads of beach around. So if you want a budget holiday, don't sleep on Albania and Tirana. Go for it. Go for it. And then our search brought us to this same apartment that I'm reviewing now. That's the Osbury Cedar. You can see the cost £60 for 2 nights for two people. That means we are literally paying £15 per person for a night. And even hostels will not offer you that, so you can see that. And it's got free cancellation policy, it's got free parking, and it's just about 3 minutes walk to the bus stop where you can catch the bus to the city center. It was really nice, and we had the best time in this place. We didn't want to leave. We're thinking of extending our stay, but we just had to go to our next destination. So this is it. And like I said, always check reviews, always check amenities, always check the location and proximity to areas that you want to visit, and you won't regret it. So let me know if you would like to book this same stay. I can give you the link to the apartment. The host is a very good friend of mine. I can give you a link to this apartment and you can book. Imagine we pay £26 per night, which is lovely. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, thank you for watching. I'm so happy to have you joining my community, and I can't wait to share more experiences with you and take you with me on my trips to different countries. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.